Want to know how you can make money on YouTube without using YouTube ads? If so, watch this. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I want to talk about a super popular subject: how to make money on YouTube, or from YouTube, however you want to look at it. There's a lot of videos out there, a lot of content, a lot of different methods out there, but one of the main methods people teach and talk about is making money from YouTube ads, right? Which are those ads that pop up, on the screen when you're watching the video, or the ads that show up before the video or in the middle of the video. Any type of ad that pops up, that's a YouTube ad, right? So a lot of people's goal when they get on YouTube, or they think their goal should be, is to get to the point where you can get ads, because that's where the money at. That's when you can start raking in money month after month after month. Now keep in mind, a lot of people do this. A lot of people do earn money from YouTube ads, but here's the problem. A lot of it's a wide range. Some people make $10 a month from their YouTube ads. Some people make $10,000 a month from YouTube ads, right? So that's nice to be able to earn some extra cash, but here's the problem. One, what if you can't get monetized because YouTube changed it where you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and that is difficult to do legitimately if you just starting out on YouTube, right? So there got to be other ways to make money, right? Well, there is. And I don't see a lot of people doing this, but I do see some people doing it, and I do it myself on this channel and on my other channels, right? Why not create your own ads? Create your own ads. It's like, for example, when you get done watching this video, I always run, I promote Genesity or promote whatever I want to promote, right? You'll see at the end of this video. But why not put ads in place, create your own ads and place them in your video just like YouTube would do? For example, if you, I always use this dog training, I don't know why, but say you're in a dog training niche, right? And you ultimately promote a dog training course that's, I don't know, $67, right? Why not take some time, it only take long, but just create. You could even do a voiceover where you can show a slide or show a picture graphic of your course, and you can just do a voiceover and say, hey, you want your dog to be trained in under 2 weeks? If so, go to blah blah blah.com, link in the description, right? You can do that. Look, to give you a better idea, check what I did for my fitness channel. Check this ad out. See what I'm talking about? That I put that on a lot of my at the end of some of my fitness videos on my ES3 fitness channel, right? And you could do the same thing yourself. And once you make these ads, you can actually place them, if you have a long video, you can actually place your ad that you created, place it, 5 minutes into the video, 8 minutes into the video. You can do that yourself, or put it at the end of the video. Some people even put it at the very beginning of the video. A lot of YouTubers make money from sponsors by doing the same strategy. They get a paid sponsor, right? And somewhere in the video, and you notice this, they'll have they'll talk about some sort of company or business, or an ad will just pop up. And that's not from YouTube, that's from the video creator, and they're getting paid from these businesses, for the YouTube creator to talk about their product, or even just put a clip of their product or something like that in the video. So guys, not only is this a cool method that you can use, this method actually could make you way more money on YouTube, and you don't have to go through any sort of monetization phase or period. You don't have to wait till you get 1,000 subscribers. You don't have to get 4,000 watch hours to start making money. Think about it. You can make a killing with 500 subscribers, but maybe you have some really good videos, that have a couple thousand views, and you sold, some $67 courses. You do the math. Think about it, right? So, guys, I just gave you a legit strategy that you can run with right now. All right, you can just, let your mind run wild on it, and just, you got to take action though. Like if you watch this video and you're on YouTube and you're like, oh cool, and you click to the next video, whatever, and you don't do it, you ain't nothing gonna pop off. Ain't nothing happening, right? But yeah, this is a legit way that you can make some money from YouTube. Who texted me? Make some money on YouTube without using YouTube ads, guys. This can really work for you. So hopefully this video helped you out. Be sure to comment below. If you like what I just said, give it that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, because you see I'm dropping that content all the time. All right. Also, if you got any questions, my phone number is in the description. You can shoot me a text or give me a call. Also, I got other links in there of programs that I recommend and that I am currently involved with. So check all that out, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.